YouTube, Tyler here of Chico Crypto, coming to you guys liver than life can be. It's a special day for me, a special day, which we'll get into in a second, but it's a special day for Bitcoin, because I think there's a 100% chance that Bitcoin hits 100K and this year. We'll get into why and why I think that in a second. I just want to say thank you to Hunter Z, Scotty P Crypto, and Black Horizon for the birthday wishes and telling people to share my videos. Because, yeah, I'm being a little bit shadow banned here lately. My viewership has gone down significantly, and live viewership was down about a quarter, but that's okay. So, if you want to share this video, tell people, say what's up, but you don't have to. Appreciate you guys tipping early. Hey, Crypto Joni, thank you so much for the birthday wishes as well, and everybody. Vitolo, Mr. Todd. Micro is quite low. Hey. No, I think it's good. I'm feeling great, you guys. A little tired from New York. As you guys know, I was in New York, so had a great time. Had a great time interviewing Gavin, interviewing a couple other projects, so it's been excellent. Oh, Wompster, dude. $500, man, what are you doing? Don't do that. Happy birthday, brother, from another mother. We are brothers, and I think they are the other mothers. How's it going, man? I'm glad to see you here. You guys are so awesome. Thank you for the birthday wishes, you guys. I appreciate that. Yes, September 25th is my birthday. I'm a Libra Virgo cusp. But let's get into the content. You know, I really want to talk to you guys about why should you even listen to Chico Crypto. You know, I have a prediction that 100K is coming by the end of the year. Most likely towards the end of December, as this is what has happened in the past, you know. During the 4-year cycles, December is usually the month where the top is hit. It's happened the two last times. 2013 into 2013, 2014, as well as 2017 into 2018. Hey, not a whale. Thank you for the birthday tip, man. I appreciate it. You guys are all awesome. Thank you so much. So now what I want to talk about is why you should listen to me. So we're going to play a clip from February of 2019 where I predicted not necessarily 100K, you know, because 100K hasn't happened. So I couldn't have predicted when that was going to happen. But I predicted almost spot on when we were going to recross the 20K all-time high. 2017, we got to 20K, you know. I said back in February 2019, so almost a year before it happened, I said this.
Longer, but if the 3,200 low in mid-December of this year was the low this time around, we will have to wait until December of 2020 until Bitcoin breaks back through the 20K mark.
That was completely spot on because we recrossed 20,000 Bitcoin back in December of 2020. So I've been saying for a while, you guys, 100K was going to happen in December of 2020 when we did cross 20K Bitcoin. I basically said 100K Bitcoin. Here's how it happens. I've also made in the past 3 months a few more videos on this because I just want to reiterate to you guys that this is my prediction. I've made this prediction 100K even before the stock to flow model came out, that this was going to happen. So 100K is probably going to happen in December of 2020 according to my personal feelings and thoughts. But that isn't the all-time high, you guys. So I do think we are going to extend a little, and the all-time high is going to come a little bit after. There'll probably be a big shakeout once we get to that 100K level in December. But the all-time high, and I've predicted this May of 2019, that the all-time high for this cycle would probably be reached sometime in March of 2000. No, that's wrong. 2022, I meant. So let's get into the stock to flow model, because this is, one of the big things that people are, basing their predictions off of. I, of course, made my prediction before that happened, before stock to flow even came out and Plan B became a popular analyst in the space. But as we can see, we are far below the stock to flow model. According to stock to flow, we should actually be around $106,000 right now. So there is, the opportunity, buying opportunity for a lot of players in the space. And in my opinion, it is being artificially held down by the big players so they can accumulate before the big last run up and hoorah. So like I said, Plan B, he is the creator of the stock to flow model. He said this just here recently, September 22nd. So what will Bitcoin December closing price be? S2F model says 100K. Time model logarithmic regression says 30K. Next couple of months will be interesting. My money is on S2F, of course. Of course it is, you guys. He is the creator of the stock to flow model. Jaceron, thank you for the $5, man, or €5. I appreciate that. CMA Love, thank you so much for the $30 tip, man. I appreciate that. Very generous, you guys. You guys are all very awesome. Yes, the S2F, it is an average, you guys. It isn't going to be completely correct 24 days out of the year, or 24 hours out of the day, 365 days out of the year. There are going to be times where the stock to flow model is a little bit above and a little bit below. But the general average of this says that we should be around 100K. And I do believe that. But there's also others in the space that are, posting other charts that represent why we are below where we should be. So Willy Woo, a big trader, #1 trader on BitMEX back in the day, very popular in the space. He actually has out his buying habits of Rick Astley. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna tell no lies and desert you. Yeah, so Rick Astley, actually this is a buying model based on buys by Rick Astley. And Rick, he's smart. He's buying here before the big run up, and selling. No, this isn't Rick Astley actually buying. So this model is based off the Rick Astley holder. It's a holder that keeps buying and they never tend to sell much. And of course, Rick was very active over 2021. And then suddenly all the coins moved away from Rick to the weak hands, the speculative traders that buy and sell. Now we're seeing that cross back into moving to the Rick holders. So if we go back to the chart, Rick was buying here, right before the big run up. Rick started selling, in the middle of here, but now Rick is rebuying again. And like I said in the S2F model, right here is where these people are accumulating. These are the smart holders. The Rick Astleys are the smart holders. They are the ones that buy in better times than usually the whales. A whale is probably considered a Rick Astley holder, while the speculative traders are the people who buy, at max 1 Bitcoin. They're probably buying portions of Bitcoins. But it's not only, Willy Woo, myself, Plan B. There are also some of the big media outlets like Cointelegraph out there posting the next stop is 85K for Bitcoin, as analysts predict explosive quarter 4 movements for BTC price action. And we are above the 1-year MA moving average, so this is a technical indicator. Everyone knows I'm not too much of a technical guy, but we are above the 1-year MA, which the 1-year moving average is a long-term indicator of bull or bear markets. We're above, the 1-year MA usually signals that we're in a bull market. We fall below the 1-year MA, that usually signals that we are in a bear market. So throughout 2020, we have been above, the 1-year MA. We slightly dipped below it in July, end of July, but we bounced right above it. So this is signaling that we are still in a bull market and we haven't turned bearish yet. And as you can see, this trader, just like Cointelegraph was saying, their next major target level is actually 85,000. Of course, Cointelegraph is also saying 85,000. But also, Decent Trader in Bitcoin Analytics and technical outlet has been saying Bitcoin's 85,000 is the next major target. So there are some indicators right here, the 200-day MA and the 28-day MA. We are still above that, but we actually are right around, maybe even fell a little bit below with the price crash, China FUD, below the 200-day MA. So if we bounce back up to 45,000, we will once again be above that, and that does signal, you know, a bull market in the short to midterm. The 1 year, of course, the longer the time horizon, 1 year MA, the longer, more general indicator it is. This time horizon, as it gets smaller, indicates, you know, a short to midterm bull market. So we are a little bit below that, but we're hanging right on the level. So in my opinion, we're probably going to bounce right back above it here soon. Because the China FUD, as you guys know, was a bunch of FUD. It was a bunch of old articles. They started recirculating. China bans Bitcoin again. There were a bunch of options expiring. It was total market manipulation to help some people make out like bandits while the others, you know, didn't. Lost a lot of money. Infinite Malou. If I had an Avado, would I not need to use Rocket Pool? Happy B-Day. How's your Avado? It's doing great. It's sitting right here. Staking it up baby now for me. Earning me some of that sweet ether. But no, with my Avado, I can't wait till Avado integrates Rocket Pool into their interface UI, because then it'll make it that much easier for me to turn my Avado into a Rocket Pool mini pool. So you guys could actually contribute your Ethereum to my mini pool and start earning rewards and helping me earn a little bit more rewards. And that is coming right when Rocket Pool goes live, October 6th, I think is the date. I'm going to be opening up a Chico Crypto mini pool. So super excited for that. JM, happy birthday, Tyler. You are the Tom Brady of crypto research. I appreciate that, man. We all appreciate you. And if your depression and anxiety was a person, I'd feed them my right hook and a rear naked choke. Thanks, JM. I'm really appreciative of that, man. I have been having a rough time, but, you know, through the darkest days, there's always a shining light. And I might have some big news here soon for the Chico Crypto channel, as well as Blockchain Leaks, my media website. Unfortunately, because of that big news, there's probably going to be another delay with Blockchain Leaks, but it's going to be good in the long term, you guys. Blockchain Leaks is going to turn into an outlet that get even bigger than even I could dream of. So I'm super excited. Hey, thanks for loving the channel, J9. So besides the 200-day MA, which we are, you know, bouncing around off of as of right now, just slightly under, we're still above the 128-day MA. But there's also active address sentiment. So when Bitcoin made its first run up to 50K 3 weeks ago, there was an indicator regarding active addresses that there probably would be a price pullback, and that ended up happening. So now that the active addresses are coming back down to one of the levels that is needed, you know, to signal a bull market, that is good. As we can see, the orange line is active addresses. We've actually came down and we've reset. So again, that is a very bullish indicator right there. Also, the spent output profit ratio, SOPR, I don't even know what this is, but basically it's signaling also that we are about to turn bullish once again. But even, you know, bearish indicators. So this is actually not a full-on bullish thing that we're going to reverse, you know, here soon. It's actually indicating that we are going to dip a little. They think that we're going to dip down to the $35,000 level from 42 here soon, and then bounce off of the August low, and then it's on like Donkey Kong. So even, short-term bears, because we are under the 200-day MA, short to mid-term bearish indicator, they do think eventually we will bounce back up and be on our way to 100K. But regarding the bears, those nasty, nasty, nasty bears, a Mr. Whale is one of the nastiest ones out there. He has been posting some stuff that I think we need to hold him to. He posted almost every moon boy and crypto guru is saying Bitcoin's destined to hit 100K this year. I disagree. If BTC does hit 100K this year, I'll personally give 100 to anyone who retweets those posts. He's probably not going to do that. This guy is a known scam boy. But retweet it just in case he does, because we are going to hit 100K this year, boy. But it's not only him paying out people $100. He is actually going to eat an entire jar of mayonnaise if we hit 100K next month. Or, yeah, next month, because Bloomberg analysts are saying that. So I hope he eats that entire jar of mayonnaise. I mean, that would be one of the funniest things ever. Probably get him a lot of views on YouTube if he did it on a live stream. But yeah, let's hold him to this, Mr. Whale, because he's one of the bearish of the bears out there. Oh yeah, so I was going to bring up that it is my birthday. A lot of people spilled the beans early on, but today, September 25th, is my birthday. I was born in 1988, September 25th, and yeah, I am 33, you guys. The big 3-3, if you know what I mean. Isn't that a quinkadink? One of my favorite cryptocurrencies has a tagline, 3-3. Hey, Dave Gent, happy birthday, baby boy. Thanks for all you do. Revest is a bomb. Thanks for it. No problem, man. Yeah, Revest token is out. It's pumping, so good news all around there. Appreciate the birthday wishes. Zach A, thank you for the $5, man. I appreciate that, too. Peter Antonio, Miserelli. Buen cumpleaños. Happy birthday, Tyler. Bravo. You are a very reliable and competent guy. What do I think of Aragon? Is that a good token? Thanks. Aragon, it's been around for a while. It's fallen out, of where it once was. But I do like Aragon and the team behind it. They're integrated with a lot of crypto projects. So yeah, I mean, I think they will have a resurgence. They're not going away anytime soon. Appreciate your €50 tip too, Pier Antonio. Joel Garcia, happy birthday, Tyler. Thanks, man. Best crypto content on YouTube, and it's not even close. Have a good one, brother. Pollos crew. Oh yeah, baby. I like the Pollos crew. Yeah, I don't think many people come close to me in the research game. There are good content creators, but when it comes to research, yeah, no one touches Chico Crypto. No one's going to be touching blockchain leaks here soon. Appreciate your tip, brother. Brian Williamson, happy birthday, Chico. I respect your integrity. Thank you, man. I respect that you respect it, because that's one thing I try to hold true, is be one of the most real, honest crypto YouTubers out there, because even in the real world, that's a hard thing to find, and when you get into cryptocurrency, it gets even harder. So thank you for respecting that, man. Yes, go Flamingo, streaming it in time so you can make the start of USC 266. Yes, of course, it's going to be a good one. Happy B-Day. We need to talk about 33, but I'll wait till the end of the stream. Are you talking about 33 or 33? Supposedly 33 is just supposed to be a good birthday year all around. So, I'm hoping so. Doobie Cook, thank you so much for the check 500, my friend. You are so great, man. And he doesn't even ask a question ever. It's just tipping away. You are the man, Doobie. Hope everything's going good with the newborn. By the way, Chico, 3-3 Illuminati confirmed. Uh-oh. Yikes. BidMoon just joined. Where were you, dude? Did YouTube not notify you? Happy birthday, Icon. Cliff notes on what I missed. Basically, 100K Bitcoin we're getting into. Why I think it's coming. So again, you guys, there is this person on Twitter at Chico_crypto_ that is trying to take my birthday to scam people. They said, let's check if the market will boom today because it's my birthday. Bitcoin, whatever, you scam boy. This isn't me. I'm not on YouTube as anyone. I'm on YouTube as Tyler Swope, or Blockchain Leaks. This is a scammer, you guys. Report the crap out of them if you have Twitter, because that's not cool. That's like one of the most evil things you can do, actually, is trying to scam people by using someone else's birthday. You are a POS, and you are going to burn in HE double hockey sticks. Like, you're going to burn bad. So, you have a chance to turn it around, scam boy. I mean, forgiveness is, you know, allowed in this world, and it's allowed, I think, in the universe. So turn it around right now, or you are going to burn extremely bad, my friend. Not my friend. So now let's get out of 100K Bitcoin, because that is coming. Let's talk about some of the altcoins I am super pumped about. So this weekend got me excited about Polkadot, Kusama, and a lot of other projects. But one that got me super excited is Centrifuge. I mean, I've been excited about Centrifuge years ago. 2018, I think, is the first time I started covering them. But this weekend got me even more bullish. So if we go into Centrifuge's application, they have a TVL of only about 33 million. And everyone's like, well, that's not that much. And no, it's not. But they are in not necessarily a full release for their platform. They are in limited release where, you know, the projects I want to integrate have to go through a process. Eventually, this is going to be open to the masses, and when that happens, I don't doubt 33 million in DAI locked up is going to turn to 100 million, to 200 million, to 500 million, and eventually, I would say by this time next year, easily 1 billion TVL locked up in Centrifuge because of the integrations they've actually have coming. They are already integrated with MakerDAO, but that's going to turn into a whole different level here soon. And then they also have Aave integration, where people are going to be able to use different assets to participate in some of the liquidity pools. So Centrifuge is their own chain right now, and they are going for a parachain on Kusama. Of course, a few others have one in this round, but Altair is their Kusama parachain, and they are in the lead for the next one. So they are actually giving out 400 AIR tokens for one Kusama in the crowd loan, and they are giving away a pretty significant amount of the token supply. Actually, 15.8% is going into the crowd loan. So if you don't know how Kusama parachain auctions work, this is a Kraken example, but it's a good example to show how, and they're using Karura as the example. But you have your Kusama, not in Kraken account. You can do it through Kraken, obviously. But let's just say you have your Kusama in your Polkadot.js wallet. You contribute to the crowd loan parachain that you want to win. And then if they are successful, your KSM is bonded for 6 to 48 weeks. That means it's kind of locked. If they're unsuccessful, your KSM gets returned. So there's no risk by participating in an auction if you don't think they're going to win. But if they do win, your KSM is bonded for 6 to 48 weeks. But at the end of that bonding period, that is returned. So you get your Kusama back, plus you get the tokens from the team that wins. And if you've seen what happened with Moonriver, I mean, if you would have participated in that, made buku bucks. Another one I've been excited about, that one is Kilt, but this is the next one I'm super excited about, and that is a AIR, Altair, Centrifuge's Kusama parachain. So I would just want to go through really quick and show you guys how to do it. This is polkadot.js.org/apps. And normally it takes you to the Polkadot interface, but if you click up on the left right here, it takes you to Kusama. I like doing via parody. And you just got to switch over. And then you want to go to Network up top here. And you click on Parachains. And then it'll take you to the Parachain section. This isn't where you do the auction. You actually have to click on the subheading right here on auctions. Let's retrieve that data. Oh, no. Scratch that. Not auctions, you guys. You want to click on crowd loan. So you click on crowd loan. And then go down to Altair. It's active, as you can see. That's a green check and everything. And literally, to contribute, you guys, you just click contribute. You put it in how much you want to contribute. I'll do 100. And then all you do is sign and submit. And I'm now contributing 100 Kusama to their crowd loan, you guys. So I did just contribute 100 Kusama. That's worth, you know, a good amount of money. I don't even know how much that is. But, yeah, contributed. And as you can see, my contribution is sitting right there. So if they win, that is going to be locked up and bonded, you know, for 6 to 48 weeks. But if they don't win, I will get that returned. But if they do win, when Altair releases their tokens, I'll get a bunch of tokens. 400 times 100, you know. A good batch of tokens, you guys. And I do have something exciting coming. I said I was going to post it today, but I decided to do a live stream. I mean, I could post it a little bit later, but I do have to meet with my tax guy on Monday. So I think I'm going to save this for maybe Sunday, Monday, I'm going to post it. Just so I have content, you know, coming out. But I did talk with Lucas, the founder of Centrifuge. One of the better interviews I got to do over the weekend. Of course, Gavin was excellent, but this was just as good, you guys. Lucas is a brilliant guy, and a lot of good information in this interview. It's about 18 minutes, so that will be posted tomorrow, Monday. I'm thinking tomorrow. Hey, Ataraxi, happy birthday. Thanks for the 20 bucks, man. You guys are awesome. Lewis Banks, 44.99 British pound. Give me a pound, brother. Revest Finance is the biggest bank since Banco Central Burgley. Shout out to Coffee Diet Banco G, the dominating MC dealer. Really? I agree. I mean, I'm super bullish on Revest and their FNFTs. It's going to be game-changing for the cryptocurrency space as a whole. Not only for NFTs, but also for projects. A lot of projects are going to be utilizing. Big Pep, happy birthday, Chico. Thanks for the 10 bucks, man. I appreciate that. Alex Bulat, happy birthday, brother. 33 is a special age. I've heard that. A lot of people are telling me that. Paradigm shift coming. Love you, man. Love you too, Alex. Thanks for the tip. Dang it. Didn't have my thing plugged in. Well, I'm going to have to get back. Happy birthday, Chico. Thank you, Haynes. I appreciate that, man. Sarah Phil. That's a hard last name. Phil. And any happy returns, Tyler. I wish you a happy birthday last year, too. Thank you so much. Thanks for sharing your birthday with the Chico Army. Of course, I would not miss a live stream with you guys for the world. I've been following you since you started. Your research has changed my life. Well, Sarah, I'm very, very happy to continue to put out my research. It's only going to get better, and I'm only going to bring more players into the Chico Crypto game. So get ready to have your life changed even more, because blockchain leaks is going to change the research game. Richard Floor, have a great day, man. Here's a little gift. Thank you so much, man. I would really appreciate your opinion about Securitins, especially with the new AMAs and chain games. Richard, I did a sponsored segment on Securitins. I haven't looked into them on a deep research level since, but possibly here soon, man. I'll have to check that out. And actually, regarding a sponsored clip, I do have a sponsor for this episode, and it is brought to you by Tencent. And like always, you guys, the full details of our sponsored agreement is in the description. I do full disclosure like I'm supposed to. Hopefully other YouTubers start following me in my track. So if you want to check out that agreement, it's down below. But Tencent is building a bridge between Finance 1.0 and Finance 2.0, crypto and the regular financial world. They're doing it through many different products. They do have smart staking. They do have burning, which is a very important piece of their platform. They have DeFi options. They have a deflationary token. They do a buyback program, which has to do with the burning, and they also have the concept of the ETF 2.0. So the staking mechanism works via the RFI mechanism. So there's no need to freeze your tokens or store them in any special wallet. Staking works for everyone always, and you can unstake at any time. And their token is deflationary, like I said. Their smart contract adds 2% fee to each transaction and then splits it. The 1% of the fee is proportionally divided to all Tencent users, which incentivizes hodling, and 1% is automatically burned. And also they have smart backing, where this is the concept of the ETF 2.0, where each token, Tencent token, is backed by a collection of cryptos and later shares. So they are looking to get into the Finance 2.0 world, or Finance 1.0 world, with some stocks and backing their tokens with sets of stocks as well. And they do have a launch pad as well, where they are bringing new cryptocurrency projects to the forefront and actually bringing them into the platform, which also enhances their buyback program. So the profits they get from these launch pads are actually taken to purchase Tencent tokens, which are then burned. So inside of their investment portfolio, these are some of the launchpad projects. Made a Hero is one of them. Ethereum they have Celsius, Tether, USD, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and some more Ethereum. And the portfolio value has grown, in a short amount of time to over $31 million. So this is backing, the tokens. But regarding the buybacks and burns, you guys, so they have their buyback and burn program. And they did their first quarter buyback just a while ago. And they actually, 500 Ethereum buyback was completed, which led to a buy of 762,000 Tencent tokens, which were permanently burned. And if you want to check that this is actually happening, you can check the transactions on Etherscan. So as you can see, 379,000 were burned for over $590,000 sent to the black hole address, which is the burn. And also here's another one for 368,000 for 574 grand, and that was also sent to the black hole. But this burn is about to rapidly increase because, as you can see in their Tencent investment portfolio, they have the Kanga Exchange. So they actually purchased 10% of the Kanga Exchange tokens to add a automatic burn that is going to increase and increase fast, because Kanga Exchange is one of the largest crypto exchanges over in Europe. They have 250 physical exchange points. So for all the revenue that comes in, they're going to get 10% because they own 10% of the company. And 10% of that of Kanga's revenue is actually going to be used to buy back Tencent tokens, and they are going to burn them. So again, you guys, it's a very interesting concept and a sponsor that has continually supported Chico Crypto. For the crypto companies out there doing that, I thank you, and I hope the viewers thank you as well. Again, guys, links for everything Tencent are below. But now let's get back into some of my crypto tokens that I'm hodling on a higher level. Alchemist Coin, Alchemist Coin, Alchemist Coin. So it pumped up to back to around 100. It settled back down into 80, and it's hodling there, and hodling there strong. And good reason. The initial surge for, damn it, where'd that go? So the initial surge for that 100 was, there was a leak, you guys. A leak came from this DeFi on Twitter, and I'm sure it came from other people, that Flashbots and MistX was going to be integrated into Uniswap on the main interface. So a lot of people are like, whoa, what doesn't that, you know, ruin the MistX exchange? No, you guys, MistX is just an exchange layer. Of course, they have an interface where you can trade, you know, on the main MistX interface, but MistX can be layered on top of any exchange. It can be layered on top of Balancer. It can be layered on top of Uniswap. So it does look like a layer is coming. This was on a German private server, as you can see up top. Uniswap.versal.app. I wish I had the actual link so I could go check it out, but full link isn't there. But regarding MistX, things are getting super interesting. The Ghost Step, he posted on my birthday a happy birthday tweet. The future of MEV is here. Get cash back when using mistx.io. And Nathan Worsley, MistX developer, said MistX now has positive value MEV extraction built in. If your trade generates MEV, we extract it and give you a kickback. The process is transparent and free of front running. So not only is there front running protection with MistX, you're also going to be getting a portion of that MEV extracted value that is saved, put back right into your wallet, you guys. I mean, amazing. Part of the reason Uniswap is going to be using this is, of course, you know, the cashback kickback program. Traders getting wallet money back in their account is a huge competitive advantage against other decentralized exchanges out there. But a partner of MistX connected is Olympus DAO Ohm. They have been doing extremely well lately, up to $665. Sorry, excuse me. Part of this is a lot of big entities in the space are getting interested in Olympus DAO. So Kane Warwick, the founder of Synthetics, he's been tweeting on it on a consistent basis. He first tweeted September 17th, tweeted again September 19th. He said, so I finally managed to stake. Turns out I had signed the wrong stake signed the stake transaction with the wrong tracer connected. Then went out IRL for the day. Even more bullish given the ridiculous number of high-profile people in my DMs yesterday reminding me to stake. Yes, if you're not staking your Olympus DAO or your Ohm, you're crazy because the returns on it are insane. As you can see, single staking, 3-3, my birthday, is over 7,226% APY. So yeah, it's ridiculous staking. I mean, when Olympus first came out, it was over 20,000. But big news for Olympus. Olympus Pro, their bonding as a service protocol is coming out September 28th, so Tuesday. And they are integrated with some pretty big players in the space. Abracadabra, Alchemist, Float, Frax, Pendle, and Stake DAO are all partners on the bonding marketplace. And I wouldn't doubt that Synthetics eventually is going to integrate with Olympus Pro bonding as well. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. But it's not only, you know, Kane Warwick. You have billionaires like Mark Cuban who have been playing around with Olympus, staking it and ohming and staking on two occasions, July 16th and then just here recently, September 11th, Mark Cuban bought some more and started staking it. But regarding Cuban, that leads us into our next one, who is an Olympus DAO fork, and that is ClimaDAO. So Alpha Clima, A Clima for participating in the Copper Fair launch on Mystex. Launch of Clima is up to 673 right now. But who has some Clima tokens? And I can't believe I didn't even notice this. I did see it, but I didn't know what it was back when I first saw it. As we can see, Mark Cuban has pre-Clima. He was set 5 million pre-Clima tokens, you guys. So Mark Cuban is integrating with ClimaDAO, is interested in ClimaDAO. He knows more than what meets the eye. You know, if he's playing around with Olympus and also getting pre-Clima, he's known about ClimaDAO for a while. So, big news there. And this OSV, Ashahin 10 actually put out a good thread about the connections between P-Clima, Clima, and Olympus DAO. They have a great thread which explains it all. I'm not going to go through it. I'll share it if you guys want to check it out yourself. So again, you guys, Mark Cuban is picking up pre-Clima. He got one test token, it looks like, 2 weeks ago. And then, yeah, he received 5 million of pre-Clima. So he is going to be talking about Clima and Olympus. I mean, I wouldn't doubt we're going to get 3-3 in Mark Cuban's Twitter profile here soon. And another one I'm super bullish on and is actually starting to pump after, you know, the initial launch volatility is Revest Finance. So Revest is the financial NFT, FNFT, and it is live, you guys, so you can claim your tokens. You can stake your tokens, and you can use the platform. You can mint your own FNFTs. So locking up ERC20s on different types of locks. Time locks, value locks, and even address locks. And actually, the first item for the Blockchain Leak store is going to be integrated with an FNFT. Doing something super cool with the Doge 1 mission to the moon. It's super cool. I mean, I can't wait to tell you guys about this because it's one of the coolest things any YouTuber has done in the NFT space. That was my goal with the launch of my first item, was of course to integrate physical world with the digital world through an NFT, but now I'm taking it one step further with financial NFTs, which are going to be unlocked when a certain thing happens. So cool. And that is, you know, what I have for the stream today, you guys. It is time for the favorite part of the episode for some people, the worst part for some people. A lot of people leave when this happens. Don't freaking leave, you guys. Actually, there's some great alpha in the questions. I'm not the smartest guy in the crypto space. One of the points of blockchain leaks was to bring in the community, because some of the community actually brings more alpha than me. And there are some of these members sitting in the chat who bring forward some tokens that it's alpha, you guys. I mean, I've covered them, and then I'm like, in the stream, I'm like, that looks like garbage. But then I go back and I really look, and I'm like, oh, whoa. And then I bring it up in a week or two. So again, those who are providing that alpha, I can't thank you enough. And yeah, when Blockchain Leaks comes out, you better join. How much X expected in Moonbeam? Well, Moonbeam's not out yet. It's hard to really put in, you know, how much it's going to go up when the token's not even fully out yet. So hard to really say, but I do expect it to do extremely well, Atul. Moon River is just pure example of how good Moonbeam's going to do. They're going to win one of the first parachains on Polkadot, so. Larry Bird, happy birthday, Chico. Hope it's a good one. Yeah, it's been a great one. Sorry I missed you this go around in New York City. No problem, man. Next time's a slice of pizza on me. Much love from NYC. I'm gonna be back. There's no doubt about that. So there's a possibility I could be moving there, my second home, just so we can take blockchain leaks to that next level. Warm Warren, my man, you gave me EWT, Link, UBT. Now for your birthday, I give you Syntropy, enterprise clients, building with Substrate, MPOS next month, and so much more. Okay, see, this is what I was saying about the community brings just as much alpha. Oh, I know Noia Network. They're building with Substrate? I didn't know that. I may have to do a deeper dive, my friend, and sitting at 273, there is a lot of room to grow. Relay nodes. Substrate, there it is. I'm gonna have to look again. I like the alpha, my friend. I covered these guys actually a while ago. Hypernoid, thanks for the SEK 55, my friend, and whoop whoop, whoop whoop. Ami Nation, happy birthday, Chico. You wanted the MistX Uniswap link. Check Overview Crypto's pinned tweet. It's there. Oh, well, thank you, my sir. See, again, the community providing more alpha than me. I did not copy that. Bastard. Overview Crypto. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. Hey, now. Do you got to do a swap to see it? Probably. Come on, you sucker. Where's it at? Do I gotta click confirm? I don't see it yet. Oh, there it is. Front running protection. Okay. Oh, yep, there it is. There we go. That's pretty much confirmed, you guys. I mean, yeah, pretty much confirmed. Thanks for the alpha. Alpha. Nation, thank you so much, man. Hey, General Collins, thank you for the $5, man. Happy birthday, Chico. I managed to pick up a Book of Alchemy NFT. Recommend Cybertooth Cat to gift you one for your B-Day. Yeah, tell him to. I mean, I would have participated, but I was in New York. It was just crazy. Like, I had no time. No time whatsoever. Appreciate the tip, and yeah, tell Cybertooth I would love one. Happy birthday, Rosemont. Thank you. We know you're not a fan of Polygon, but you're a fan of Clima. I have a bag too, which is on Polygon. Why does Clima get an exception? I mean, I've covered other projects that are on Polygon. I don't like Polygon, and I think Clima should definitely look at a different option. But I'm sure Polygon was like, here's some money. That's what Polygon does. They have lots of money to do this. I mean, I want projects to pick the best tech. Polygon isn't the best tech. I'll tell you that right now. I'd rather them go on top of Arbitrum. No doubt about that. So maybe I could be a sway, but I'm sure there was some deals signed, and that's unfortunate. RM, thank you for the £5, man. Pound. Yo, Chico, you're always supplying us with amazing crypto content. Thanks, brother. Keep up the good work. It doesn't go unnoticed. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you, brother, man. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm trying to put out only the best content in the world. Sean Red, happy B-Day. Did you get some Mars 4 plots? I sure did, Sean Red. I appreciate the $10, man. And the birthday wishes. Dave Jean, thanks for the RVST, Chico. Can you please elaborate on why the FNFT is groundbreaking tech? I mean, the groundbreaking piece, I mean, the NFT holding assets, ERC20s, whatever, isn't a new concept. I mean, there's a few projects already doing that, and Mist is one of them. What's groundbreaking is the option to unlock that out of there based on a given set of parameters, you know, time, address lock, and soon there's going to be Oracle locks that, you know, unlock. I mean, even in gaming items, you could say an NFT unlocks a value within it when a person hits a certain score or something. I mean, there's so many different applications for this that it's going to be groundbreaking for industries across cryptocurrency and out of cryptocurrency. Yep, 6603 DeLong. Happy birthday. Thanks, man. Can you take a look at Doorcoin and tell me what I think? I'll take a look. Doorcoin. Is this it? I think so. What does it do? A message from Hodar. That's kind of ridiculous. Can't say much about it. The concept looks alright, but I mean, the design of their website's not the best. I mean, these are just some stock images that are pretty blurry even. I would have to look deeper into exactly what it does. I mean, but the concept is, I don't know if you need crypto for it. Personally. Ben Koch. Chico, I've asked you before about this one. Didn't get much from you. I know you're busy. Project is XYO. Oh, location-based. Oh, yeah. No, this could be good. I mean, there's another project, Foam, which I was super interested in. So this actually could be a good one. I wonder who some of their partners are, because I could see these guys integrating with a lot of different projects out there. Proof of location could be a big, I mean, EWT is one of them that just rolls off the top of my head. It looks good, man. I might have to look into it here in a bit. Ashwath Kumar M. Thank you so much for the 500. I don't know what type of currency that is, but I appreciate that, brother. Cheers. 0 to 60 Crypto. Thanks, Chico. Fan for years, and you inspired me to create my own channel to help crypto noobs. Hope I do you credit with my videos. No shills and straight knowledge at a 5th grade level. Well, congrats on the channel, man. I'll give you a quick Chico shill. Only has 11 subs, you guys. Help the brother out. And yeah, it looks like they're creating general educational videos. Well, if you want to join Blockchain Leaks, my brother, man, stay tuned and send me an email because we are looking for content creators besides myself. Video content creators. But also journalists and everything. So if you guys can write, send me a application as well. Crypto Wife, happy birthday, Tyler. As always, we appreciate what you do. I know it's related to ADA, but what do I think about Cody? Cody. They're related to ADA? I didn't know that. Multi-dag? Well, projects that, you know, say they're going to Cardano. I mean, what's Cody built on right now? It's a ERC20 token. It's like, come on. That frustrates me. That just totally frustrates me because, yeah. Go build on Cardano. But you can't. It's just a proof that Cardano's bullshit. Bullshit. Yeah. I don't like them. Clark Family. Happy B-Day, Chico. Thank you, Clark Family. I appreciate you. We'll join Blockchain Leaks for sure. Thank you. Thoughts on AVAX using Yield Yak to Joe AVAX Auto Compound Pool. Avalanche, it's not my favorite. You know, I'm more a fan of, you know, True Layer 2s, Arbitrum. I don't know about Optimism. I like Arbitrum. But actually, I could see some eventual cross-collaboration between Avalanche and Arbitrum because they're both connected to Chainlink. So, it goes, for me, Ethereum, Polkadot, Kusama, Arbitrum, and then Avalanche, and then some of the others. But yeah, those are my top 4. But there are probably some pretty good yield farming opportunities on all those platforms. Hey Tyler, happy birthday. Thanks, Praneeth. Thanks for the heads up on Revest. I bagged some. Enjoy your day. No problem, my man. By the way, it was great to see you and Gavin together. Yeah, it was a great interview. A little nervous in the beginning, but I got through that. No problem. Rocher, J82. Happy birthday. Thank you, man. Ever heard of Citizen? You can claim a passport for the Kongland, a metaverse citadel trying to bridge the metaverse to real life. Kongland Alpha Citizenship. Interesting. Only 500 tokens. Jesus. When I saw 18,000, I was like, Well, how far are they? An NFT DID. I mean, how far are they? It seems like they're just trying to get out their physical NFT as of right now. Where's their metaverse is my question. I mean, getting into this type of stuff, especially when they don't have anything built, is a risk, a major risk. Yeah, they don't really say much. I don't know. Be careful is all I gotta say, because that's a lot of money to buy into something that possibly might not work. To the moons! Thank you for the Sweden currency, because it looks like you're from Sweden. Enjoy the day, my man. Love from Sweden. Love right back from Chico, California. Go Flamingo! An Aussie 5, I think. Are you betting on fights tonight? Who you got winning? I mean, I have to DYOR. I can't really decide right now. If I'm going to bet on fights, I look into deep, research just like cryptocurrency. Who they have fought that are similar, what is the record, what happened during that fight. It usually does well to me, so I might bet. It depends on what time I get done with this stream. Better Brand, thank you for the DKK 50. Happy birthday, Chico. I supported you through the ups and downs. Appreciate that, man. What are your thoughts on Party Swap? Party, only on CoinMarketCap. It's a new Avalanche DEX. I'll look at him on Twitter. I'm not a big fan of CoinMarketCap. Party. Well, how many swappers are there on Avalanche? I know of a few already. Pangolin, can't think of the other ones off the top of my head. Yeah, there might be room for more. But this just looks a little too memey for me, personally. Piñatas. Yeah, it just looks, like a fork of some of these farming ones out there. Personally, I'd go with some of the others, but, I mean, there could be an opportunity in the short to midterm. Especially with Avalanche hype. Appreciate the tip, Better Brand. Tahoe Guy, do you know anyone using Lido DAO to stake Ethereum? I don't. What are your thoughts on Lido? Happy birthday. Thank you, Tahoe Guy. Well, I mean, Lido, as of right now, is centralized in its form, but, I mean, a lot of people are using it, obviously, from their market cap. Dang it. Well, they're actually lower market cap than Rocket Pool. I'm more bullish on Rocket Pool, you guys, for staking Ethereum. It's going to be hard to get me to switch. But there is a lot of infrastructure being built around Lido. Ikomi, Omi, the biggest brands like Marvel are on board. I mean, it's better that they're now switching to Ethereum. They were on GoChain, but I think they're switching to Ethereum, which is good. They do have some pretty big brands, so that's good. I'd have to download their app and see how it is. It looks like it's live, so I might do that after the stream. Appreciate the tip. Jerrigan581. Thoughts on X Network by Telcoin. Is that a new something? I haven't looked into it. I've heard of Telcoin, but is Telex something new? Remittance volume. I'm gonna have to look into it because I do see some big amount of money, like the person said, a tsunami coming through crypto and blockchain remittance. And if it's competing with Ripple, even better. I'm gonna have to look into it, Danny Rhea. Appreciate the tip. Crypto Joni, thoughts on Mushroom? NFTs launching on the new Olympus Odyssey platform. I tweeted about it today. Love mushrooms, love Ohm. Maybe it's a good one. Oh, there it is. I see. Fungi of the Gods. I might have to get one. And incentives for the Ohmies, too. I like it. Hank. You sucker. 3, Mushroom 3. We all gonna make it. I'm gonna have to check it out, Crypto Joni. Thanks for the alpha. Sundown Pyro, happy birthday, bro. No ADA, no fart chain. I learned 2 things from Gavin's interview. Your mic holding hand is ripped to laugh out loud, and code execution. The code execution is the big thing because it's going to allow a lot of things that Ethereum can't do and a lot of blockchains can't do. So yeah, I'm super excited. my mic holding hand is ripped. It is pretty ripped. I'm pretty ripped right now. Appreciate the tip, Sundown. Albo T, happy birthday, Chico. You are the man, our crypto king. Thank you for the $50 and saying that. Also, your birthday was 3 days ago, the 22nd. Nice. Happy birthday, Albo. ETH Atlanta is coming soon. UBT will probably moon. Yes. Can you check out Cryptex Finance? I've been staking their token. The rewards are crazy high. 582% APY. That's nice. That ain't no ohm, though. Oh, yeah, this is the total crypto market cap. No, this one interested me, and they got some big players behind them, so... yeah, there could be some opportunity with this. It's ranked 516. See how they've been doing over the past 30 days. Would have been nice to get this one at $2. I'm going to take a deeper look, definitely, because the concept's interesting. But if I was going to stake, you know, if that's all you're doing it for, 7,200 is better than 582. But there could be opportunity for short to midterm price movements up the ranking cap. So Dan Schlepp, thank you for the Canadian 5. You must be... What part of Canada are you from? Are you French-Canadian, my friend? Appreciate the tip, man. Mustafa, hey Chico, happy birthday. Thanks, man. Thanks you for covering CAP and CVX when I mentioned. Check out ICE, Popsicle Finance. Same dev as Spell, launching in days. I've heard of Popsicle. I don't know where. Yeah, this is familiar. Decentralized market makers. That's actually a really good concept. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check this one out. Dang it, I want to connect to me. Yeah, who were these guys talking with or integrated with? Was it Alchemist Coin? I don't know. But I know I've heard of them before. This one's on my radar because decentralized market makers are much needed. It's, of course, a concept that is going to change the crypto game, but it's also going to bring a lot of TVL, so... Appreciate the tip, Mustafa. Arsha, happy birthday, Chico. Keep up the good work. I will. Can you please take a look at UniDX? Please, I'd love to hear your quick opinion. Thank you. No prob. UniDX. Right, 1290. Derivatives. Okay, it's an aggregator for derivatives. Thought it was just going to be an aggregator for trading. Public team, that's always good. No, this is an interesting concept, an aggregator for derivatives and options, so it's on my radar. I like the reward calculator too. Yeah, this one sounds interesting. Thank you for the tip, Arsha. Hey, Chica, I just want to let you know Vitalik's mom, Natalia Ameline, has officially joined the Metis team. Check out their website. How much they pay her? I mean, that's good. No link. Oh, she must not have one. Vitalik's mom is a researcher? Technology research? Do you mean they're having Vitalik do that? I'm gonna have to look into it. I mean, that's interesting because I'm sure Vitalik is close with his mom. Most people are, so she wouldn't just join any project. I'll have to look into it. Hey, Dan Schlepp. Happy B-Day, bro. Are you still bullish on EWT? No, I hate EWT. I love it. Walter Koch was implying on Twitter that they may get a parachain on Kusama. Heck yes, they better do that. I mean, I think it's a great idea because then they can perform instead of on some of their test nets, you know. They can perform actually live, you know, with real world value tests, you know. You can only test so much on a test network because it's not live, you know. So why not try to break things on Kusama and try some really cool concepts? That'll be good. So I'm excited. Appreciate the tip, man. Mikal Miko. Tyler, great show as always, brother. Thank you. Well, you gotten a Moon Songbird yet? If not, why? I do have one. Donnie Big Bags has one saved for me. So I just need to give him my address, which I will be doing soon. Donnie, I know I said I was going to do it over the weekend. It is still the weekend, so. But yeah, I just got back from New York last night. I got in at like 1 a.m. Exhausted. My thoughts on EFI. They are working with Microsoft and others and seem to be under the radar. Xbox game using NFTs due out next year. That's interesting. If true. Is it Infinity? Must be. Not much out on them. I mean, they just have a white paper, but... Oh, it's on Engine. No, so that is possible. No, Engine. That is highly possible, actually. Engine is integrated with Microsoft already, so... That may not be a lie, my friends. Thank you, Tyson. I'm interested. You can buy it, too? This might be a buy zone, you guys. Possibly. I wonder who's trying to front run me right now. Hey, Chico, seen how Susan Sarandon's doing lately? The poor gal. Yeah, unfortunately, Carbon Swap, you know, some of that hype is gone, but the hype will come back. I mean, a lot of it has to do with, you know, EWT's performance. EWT hasn't been performing the best, which is crazy to me, but the markets are insane. But the markets will get a reality check, like they always do. And EWT is going to move up. EWT is in a buy zone too, according to my technicals. I mean, a lot of it just has to do with, you know, the main project, EWT, but Susan Sarandon, especially once decentralized trading of the energy assets come, I mean, whew, gonna be good. Hey, Phildo, 530 from the 530. Happy B-Day, yo. Get some grub at the Banshee for me. I will, man. Thank you. Definitely once I get off this stream. What do you think of Raid Guild token launch? Raid Guild launched the token? I didn't know they launched the token. Oh. Raid has been. I'm gonna have to check it out, and that might be a buy too, because Raid Guild is a dominant developer force, DAO developer force, so interesting. Thanks for the tip, Jake Quinn. Have I heard about Hashbon Rocket? Its token hash pumped a bit since it's launched. Never heard of Hashbon, Praneeth. Not finding it on there. Oh, it's just a trading back to Binance. Cool, but not cool. Yeah, any ERC20 to a BP20. I mean, who wants a BP20 anyways? Yeah, it's a fart chainer. I mean, Binance Smart Chain is going to get dominated, you guys. They're done for. Especially with all the other layers coming, so. Hey, Chico, long time no comment. Well, where you been, Carlos? But I always watch your videos. Thanks, man. Happy birthday. Thank you. I appreciate it. L. Jones, thanks for the $17.99 pound. Happy birthday. Thanks, brother. Take a look at revolab.org, Mr. Crypto, and Mr. Crypto NFT1 on Twitter. They are potentially working on a token airdrop to Mr. Crypto NFT holders where they can spend tokens in the metaverse. Oh, I'll go look at Mr. Crypto on Twitter, but I'm not going to the link. That's one thing I don't do. I used to not even go out to Twitter, but I started doing that. Oh, they haven't even minted yet? What'd you say is it doing? Token airdrop to Mr. Crypto NFT holders where they can spend tokens in the metaverse. What metaverse is the question? Are they building it themselves? Because I don't know about that. Too many metaverses, in my opinion. A lot of projects moving on that. But it does look like a decent NFT. Mbatter Virus. Happy birthday, Chico. Thanks, man. What are your thoughts on For Two Poker? They will have a tournament with Mr. Beast and other celebrities tomorrow. Well, I'm not there, so I don't care. No, Virtu. Decentralized poker. Oh, Justin's son's there. I wish I could be at that. Come on, put me on the board. This is gonna be boring. And I know poker. I mean, it's cool, but they should just remove Justin's son. He's boring as hell. Barely speaks any English. He's funny if he gets some drinks in him, actually. But, yeah, decentralized poker's a good concept. I mean, of course. Crypto Kitchen, happy birthday, Omi. Thank you, brother. I appreciate the 20, Aussie $20. That's awesome, man. Thank you. Jacob Brandon, happy birthday, Chico. Thank you, Jacob. Appreciate that. Oops. Ooh, man. Hey, Crypto Discover. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you, man. Thanks for all the good research. It's my pleasure. Greets from Belgium. By the way, Ecomi is coming to Immutable X. So, yeah, basically Ethereum. That's good news, you guys. They do need a scaling platform. There's no doubt about that. No doubt about that in my mind. Type telex into Google. It's the top link. I already looked at it. It's a remittance platform. No, it looks interesting. That's what I was saying. I mean, if they're competing with Ripple on remittances, I like it. I like it a lot. Danny Ray, I appreciate the tip, man. David, 9VI4. Happy birthday, Tyler. Thanks for all the work you do. It's a pleasure. You helped me a lot understand the basics of crypto. All the best to you and Blockchain Leaks. Thank you. Appreciate the birthday wishes. And yeah, I'm glad to help you out with everything in crypto. I'm not as much of a basic person anymore. I'm sure there's people that jumped into my channel and are like, what the hell are you doing? Talking about Tyler. But Blockchain Leaks is going to allow that on a different level for the basics. Get to the basics. Get to the basics. For that to get smushed back into people's heads. Peter N, may I have a meow? Meow. Hope that was good. Peter N. Joe Ball, happy birthday, Chico. Thanks, man. Check out Misego's L2 called Boba Network. TVL going up. They will airdrop the L2 token to all OMG holders. Oh, wow. OMG is back. I mean, OMG failed, and they failed miserably. Then they sold their company to some other people. I'm just not a... I'm just not a fan. Because I did research into it. Where's the Poon? What happened to the Poon? Yeah, a lot of these partners are not the greatest either. Boba tea, too. I'm not a big fan of boba tea. It's weird. But yeah, I'm not a fan of Misego. It's nice that they'll be airdropping, so there's an opportunity there, but... Jason W., happy birthday, Chico. You're a legend. Thanks, man. Thoughts on Polkadot project and its chances? Well, there needs to be more dexes on Polkadot. Of course, there's Focus Swap, which, you know, is one of my favorites. They have their testnet out. Lots of VCs, so that's kind of... And Neo Global Capital in there. What's Neo Global Capital and doing investing in a Polkadot? You know, Neo's such a joke. Go invest in your own infrastructure, you assholes. Money hungry. And they like to dump, too. So that's why I don't get involved with anything that has NGC branded on it. They love to dump. I mean, there needs to be more dexes on Polkadot, no doubt. But I like Polkaswap. Because it's working and it's functional. Carlos Banos. Chico, I got a technical question. What can I do to Uniswap Uni V2? How can I exchange for a stablecoin or something? With the LP token? I don't think you can necessarily... That's a good idea. I mean, being able to swap directly for LP tokens for stablecoins or other assets is a great idea, but I don't think there's anything out there that allows you. That I know of. That's a good idea. I mean, just unbond everything and then trade. I mean, I know you got to pay the fees and everything, and sometimes it's not even worth it. So, I mean, yeah. Maybe you just thought of a business idea right there. Dave Jant. Okay, last question of the day from me, birthday boy. When do you see Zora and Polkaswap catching more traction? Use the platform and it's super smooth. It is. It's great. They just need more publicity, I guess you could say. Maybe I'll have to put out a video here soon. But I'm only one person, you know. I've covered Zora before on occasions. So they need more publicity besides Chico. Will Z, thanks for the content, Chico. Do you have your plot on Mars yet? Yes, Will, I do. I haven't I have it, but I haven't, you know, messed around with it much because I got them sent right before I went to New York. So here soon I'm going to integrate and look at it more. Have you looked into supporting Altair through Bifrost Salt program? They've also partnered with Zenlink so you can earn extra rewards. I do like Bifrost, and you just, I don't know why. Well, luckily I have more Kusama, and I only did 100, but I might have to look into that, Jamil, because I do like Bifrost. I've covered those guys on multiple occasions. That web page showing the team reminded me one of the had Ryan Gosling in several positions on the team. LOL. Now that's funny, Scotty P. It did do to me a little bit. No doubt about it. Crypto Bandits, thank you for the Canadian $27.99, my friend. Happy birthday, Chico, and a big thank you for what you bring to the space. My pleasure. Thank you for tuning into the stream. That's more important to me than any tip. It's just everyone being here. Fighting YouTube's shadow bans of me. My viewership has gone down pretty significantly since I smushed YouTube, or someone at YouTube must be a Solana holder, because after I put out my Solana vids, my views have been cut by 25 to 50%, depending on the video. Luku, happy birthday, Tyler. Did you see that Home Depot Publix said they started with Origin Trail track? Was a busy last week for Origin Trail. Luku, no I didn't. That is big. Origin Trail is one of the top supply chain coins, if not the top one out there. The two I like are Morpheus Network and Origin. So that is big news. And I hold them both, actually. Hey, Ty Biggs. Happy birthday, big homie. Big homie. Blessings to you. Thank you, Ty. I like your name. And blessings right back to you, brother. Ooh, Randall Frazier got into the Mars 4 token sale and picked up 10 lots. Thanks for the review. When you coming to Halifax, Nova Scotia for some brewskis? As soon as possible, because that sounds like a great time. Yeah, Mars 4 is going to be good. They have some good backing advisors on board that aren't going to let it do bad, so I'm super pumped. And they already have some of the application built and ready to go. PK, thanks for the 10 bucks, man. Hey, Tyler, happy 33rd and many more. Thanks for the great work. Of course, man. What do you think about charged particles, IONX? Great investors like Stanny, Jordan, and Kane Warwick. Ooh. I've heard of charged. It's a similar concept to actually Revest. But I think Revest is a little bit better because I don't think you can do unlocks based off of certain conditions with it. It's just a NFT wallet, basically. I don't think. Oh, no, it has time locks. I'm gonna have to look into what type of locks they have. Interesting. I'll take a look, because it has been on my radar, don't worry. Polkadot, happy birthday, bro. I got an NFT alpha for you. Angry Boars, minted 2 days ago. Think it's going to be the next big one. I'm not a big NFT, guys. You know, I like financial NFTs. I like NFTs that do more than just an art piece. I mean, so I don't know, man. I mean, great. That it sounds just like another, you know, crypto punk, whatever, but that stuff doesn't, like, interest me that much. Yeah, it just looks like it's a copy-paste of what all these projects have done, you know. Bored apes, you have pigs, elephants, monkeys. I mean, yeah. And I appreciate your happy birthday wishes, but NFTs aren't like my forte. Smiles for miles, man. Happy birthday, Chico, man. Do you think Polygon-matic is obsolete now? I do. I think other projects should think about moving to true layers, even though they picked up Hermes. But, of course, they couldn't build it themselves. That's just obvious that the team isn't as bright as one could be. They couldn't build their own roll-up, so they had to purchase one. Chuwak, happy birthday, Chico. Glad to see you joking around and happy again. Thanks, man. Have I heard about Meter? It's another L2 for ETH, and they've recently bridged to Mover. It looks interesting. I have heard of Meter. And I did know that they were involved with Mover, one of the bridges. No, Meter looks good. It's been on my radar. And the integration with Mover is pretty significant, in my opinion. So yeah, it's definitely on my radar, man. Appreciate the birthday wish. And you too, Anum. No, thanks for the birthday wish, and thanks for all you do. Made lots of money. Hey, P.S. today is your mother's birthday. Hey, happy birthday to your mom, man. Tell her Chico said so. Happy September 25th is the best day ever. Yodzan MH. Hey, Chico, happy birthday. Hope you're doing well. I am, man. Thank you. If this is the altcoin part of the stream, may I ask your opinion about Zoracle's token? They are launching Unibond, which is Uniswap v3 marketplace. They are not an Oracle. I've looked into Zoracle's, and they do have some partners that I think I like. I can't remember who off the top of my head. Yeah, I can't remember who it is. No, but they have been on my radar. Yeah, I just can't think of who the partner is. Have a governance dashboard too. That's nice. No, it is on my radar. And yeah, small token supply too, only 10,000. So I like that too. Appreciate the tip, Yods on MH, and the birthday wishes. Blacklist Universe, Chico, I'm doing custom NFTs on my funky monkey frat house avatars. Would love to get you one. I'd love to have one. How can we make this happen? I'm a 30-year vet of the comic book industry and have been a fan for 5 years. Hell yeah, man. Love to the Chico Army. Definitely, if you want to send me one, Telegram, you can reach me there. Even though I get hundreds of messages, the best way is probably my email, thechicocrypto @gmail.com. That's the best way to get in contact with me. And I'd love to have one, you know. I need to get my NFT collection up. Like I said, I'm not the biggest investor into NFTs, but I'd like to have a collection. I appreciate the $20, man. And I appreciate you being a fan for so long. All things ETH. Happy birthday, Chico. My birthday is tomorrow. Turning the big 4-0. Oh. Uh-oh. Over the hill a little? I'm just kidding, man. No, I'm 33. I already feel over the hill. Happy birthday, brother. September 26th. September is just a great birthday month. Because if you think about it, what's about 9 months before September? You know, how long it takes to get a baby out. That means our mommy and poppies are boning on Christmas time. Get a stash. What's up, man? Happy birthday. Thank you. Appreciate the tip, brother. And the birthday wishes. Asa Carson. Sup, Chico? Any thoughts on push? Ethereum push notifications. They are trying to allow notifications to users on the blockchain. It's a good idea, and I'm super interested. Has went down a little bit, too, since I last looked at it. Might be in buy zone. According to technicals, it's fallen below that. It's probably going to bounce off this 222. Maybe 250. Those are just, that's Tyler analysis. No, it has been on my radar, Asa Carson. Toss a coin to your Chico. Love from Oregon, man. Would like your thoughts on paintbrush. Appreciate the tip. Paintbrush. Paint swap. It's on Phantom. Gotta connect to my wallet. Interesting. And it's on Phantom, so it definitely could see a surge because Phantom hype is, it's been there, but a lot of the projects built on top haven't got their surge like some on Avalanche, so looks interesting. Matt Coleman, hey Chico, happy birthday. Thanks, man. Thanks for always keeping it real. No problem. What are all my shillings not in ohm with that APY? Tyler TA on where it will stabilize. Well, I mean, of course there's risk. I mean, I don't have all my shillings in ohm, and sometimes I think the same thing. But there's always risk by having all your money in one basket, you know? So that's the risk, is smart contract risk. I mean, it's not... I don't think a rug pull would happen, you know, if would have happened already if it was going to. So, but there's always that risk, so. And it'll stabilize. I mean, it's probably going to have a big bounce down here soon, you know, because that's what happens with it. So, I would say within 300, probably it's going to stabilize around. Crypto Kitchen, thoughts on the strong network? I don't think this is it, but it might be. Yeah, this is it, I think. It looked kind of interesting. I remember this from last time. And, I mean, allowing lots of nodes, if they're not only strong network nodes, they're nodes for other blockchains. That's awesome. Easily create nodes. Yeah, no, it looks good. Decentralized and incentivized node network is a good concept, man. Appreciate the tip, Crypto Kitchen. Happy birthday! Do I like Spell and Popsicle Finance? I looked at Popsicle and decentralized market makers are big. Spell, I haven't looked deep into. I know they integrated with Ohm, so that's big. I'm going to have to look deeper into this one to give you a full answer, and I will too, now that they are one of the top partners of Ohm. So I guess I could say, tune in. Maybe later I'll be covering it. Appreciate the tip, Vin124. Enjoy your special day. Thank you, Send It Crypto. Love your work. I love that you love it, man. Hey, Tyler, no altcoin request. Just wanted to say you're awesome. Thank you, Astro Bear. Your content is the highest quality in this crypto YouTube world. Stay solid, my brother. Also, Alchemist all the way. When there is no plan, that's the best plan of all. Hey, Shapeshift DAO, what's up, guys? Thanks for the 20 bucks. And also you too, Astro Bear, for the Canadian 10. Just keep up the good work. I like it. Shapeshift does have their DAO out. One of the largest DAOs, actually. Shapeshift is one of the oldest. I guess you could say swappers out there, you know? Eric Voorhees was behind it. But now it is a DAO ran by the community. Hey, Clark family, thanks for the 2 bucks. Check out Yield Yak. Yield Yak. It's on Avalanche, $11,000, so 10,000 a token. Auto compounder, it's a good idea. On Avalanche, what's the chart look like though? Been out for a month. I'd probably wait till it bounce. Might only come down to about 10. I mean, I like auto compounders and helping with yield farming. I mean, that's much needed in the crypto space because it moves so fast. So I'll keep an eye on it. Timothy Smith, what do I think of Cody? Well, I don't like that they're integrated with Cardano, but they're built on Ethereum as of right now. It's just proof that freaking Cardano is crap. But thanks, Charles Hoskinson, for letting Cody get money to build on Ethereum. And they launched an NFT. I don't know why projects are launching NFTs when they have nothing to do with them. That's just weird to me. But yeah, just a Cardano. DDO, what's up, Swope? Happy birthday. Thanks, man. Seems like the depression has bottoming out. Thanks for the research as always. No problem, Dido. Thanks for the birthday wishes. And yeah, depression has kind of subsided. It's never gone fully. But yeah. The Zorkles partnership is Unibond. A lot of technical advances happening and talks of working with Revest as well. Interesting. I thought it was someone else. Unibond. But I don't know. My thoughts on VeChain. So these aren't all sponsored questions I'm answering, guys. This is non-sponsored. VeChain is the V crap. Very shady people behind VeChain. I don't know. Maybe they kicked those guys out because it was 2018 when I made those videos. But if they're still integrated with... I can't even remember their names. Those guys are shady as can be. Chico, lots of loves. Any thoughts on Altair? I'm just participated in the stream in the crowd loan, so bullish. Well, that's interesting about Cody. Any Luxo news? Mainnet? Maybe Fabian Vogelseller and me will have an interview here soon. I would love to have one with them. I'd love to hang out with them too. Revest, woo! What do I think of Meta Hero? Well, they're on the Chinset platform, and it looks kind of interesting. Alright, guys. Well, I think I am going to head out for the day. It is my birthday, and I want to, get some time, me time, especially before the fights start, and I have friends over. Definitely want to get some food, too. Yeah, smash the like before I go. Listen to LTZ Prosy. But yeah, I'm gonna take off for the day. Tomorrow I could be posting the centrifuge video. Super bullish on centrifuge, no doubt about that. Oh, then 124. I'm 100% more bullish on Avalanche, man. Solana is centralized crap, but at least Avalanche is decentralized. Oh, Shawan Jelani. I know CSW said BTC will grind to a halt at 100K. Laugh out oranges. Huh? I've been saying 100K for a long time, and it's not going to grind out at 100K. Swap diet. I don't go to links, Shawan. Sorry, my brother, man. I appreciate your tip, dude, but I just don't go out to outside links. Of course, you guys. Oh, Zayla Soul, no worry, man. I mean, there'll be a replay, and I appreciate the birthday wishes from everyone. Jake Thomas, Pollinator, Johnny Interesting, Timothy Smith, Sal G, Zayla Soul. Yeah. So I appreciate all your guys' tips, tuning in, birthday wishes, but yeah, I think it's time for Tyler to get some Tyler time on his birthday. So gonna do that, and like I said, the video for Centrifuge interview could be posted tomorrow, most likely tomorrow, but possibly Monday. Hey, Full Metal Magdalene, thank you for the birthday wish. She is actually the NFT artist for the first Chico Crypto blockchain leak store item. So give her a follow, say what's up. She would love that. Well, I love all you guys. The Chico Army is the best crypto crew out there. There's no doubt about that. And yeah, stay safe tonight, you guys. I'm gonna not stay safe. I'm gonna party hardy. No, I'm not. But I'm gonna have a good time. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or Monday. Have a good weekend. Cheers.